They're young, they're bright, and they're in our kitchen for creative cooking. It's the children's turn to show off their skills. And now, here's your host, Maisie Miller.
We thank you for joining us today on Creative Cooking. My special guest is Rushanie Issacs.
Thank you.
A student at the
Winwood Road Primary and Junior High School.
We are happy that you have joined us on the program. What are you cooking for us today?
I'll be making corned beef balls with a pineapple sauce.
Okay, well, over to you.
Okay, first we'll be making the pineapple sauce. Okay. Starts off with some pineapple juice. So all of it in this. Okay. And then about a cup of ketchup.
What type of ketchup are you using?
Grace tomato ketchup. Okay.
Can I stir?
Sure. And then we'll add our cornstarch. We stir properly to prevent lumping. And then some crushed ginger.
I love the flavor.
Yes.
I hear you cook a lot at home.
Yes, I do.
Yes. Okay, over to you. What
I'll
else are you
start with
making?
the corned beef. A small corned beef for the corned beef balls. And then I'll add some onion, chopped onions. And then some sweet pepper. And then chopped scallion.
Very flavorful, eh?
Yeah. And some black pepper. Just stir that around. And then you add some breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs is used as a binding agent to keep the corned beef together that it doesn't break.
Okay. I'm learning a thing or two from you here.
And then 2 eggs. Whisk it properly.
And the eggs also act as binding too.
Yes. It's a binding agent as well.
Okay.
Just add that in there. Here you go. Just mix that around properly.
You want an even blend, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Make sure that the ingredients is all mixed together properly.
Tell us about your involvement in activities at school.
Well, I'm in the choir, I'm a peer educator, and I'm in dancing, and I'm in drama.
What are you saying? As a peer educator, tell me about that post at school.
Peer educator, like if a child has a problem,
Okay.
they can always come to us and talk to us about it, and we'll try to give them some advice that relates to the problem.
So that means you have to be a very confidential
Yes,
person.
and we also have to set good examples for the children at the school. So I'll just pick up a small dose and just hold it together. You can make them big or you can make them small, whichever you prefer. Rather than
medium.
medium.
What's the next step after you shake them?
Okay, I'll just put them in the egg.
Okay, that's okay. Okay. So you coat them in the beaten egg.
Yes. Take it out. Put it in the breadcrumbs. And put that in there.
Yes.
Just turn it around.
What do you like to be when you grow up?
I would like to be an actor and a singer as well.
Okay. This will come over here, yes. So that you made some ahead of time, eh?
And here's our spaghetti that we have also made ahead of time.
Oh, you boiled that?
Yes.
Okay.
And we'll just add about 6 of our corned beef balls in the center of the spaghetti.
Okay.
Very wonderful.
Evenly, yes, I like the size, yes. What would you serve this for?
I would
Dinner, lunch?
I would say dinner.
Okay, okay,
Good for a family reunion. Probably could add another one.
okay. You told us earlier about drama. You spoke to drama. Tell us what you like so much about drama.
I like pretending to be another person, and I really like to say poems.
Oh, you are good at poetry. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And now we'll add some corn, yellow corn,
Yes,
to garnish around the sides of the spaghetti.
You're big on food styling. Yes.
It's coming out wonderful.
Yes. And people like, children like to see their meals very attractive, eh?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Make it more attractive.
But how did you develop this recipe? Who helped you? Your mother?
No, my teacher at school,
Oh, teacher, okay.
home economic teacher.
Home economics teacher, okay. And we have to tell teacher thanks, eh?
Yes.
The color
Just add-
scheme, yes,
yes.
beautiful.
We'll add some corn and the green peas on the sides there. And now the final touch, our sauce.
Okay. So I could turn off the flame for you?
Sure.
Sure. I could help you in the kitchen.
You'll just add it in the center here.
Yes. It smells
Very
good.
great.
Oh, I tell you, it smells so good.
The pineapple and the ginger.
Right.
A wonderful touch.
Wonderful touch. You heard it from the young chef in the making, right? I thought you were going to tell me you'd like to be a chef, right?
Chef is my backup plan, I would have to say.
Oh.
Just add a little on the spaghetti.
There's always a need for a backup plan, you know?
Yes. Just a bit more.
Okay.
And well,
And that's it.
that's it. And there you have it. The wonderful corned beef balls.
You want to put
With a spaghetti
this
sauce.
on the mat over there for us? Wonderful dish. You said it all, right? You said it was wonderful, and it truly is a very creative meal. And he has put his food styling skills to work. We want to commend you for your achievement. You have worked very well and very confidently. And guess what? If you continue to work as hard as you are working now, you will achieve your goals. On behalf of the team at Grace Kitchens, thanks for sharing with us on Creative Cooking.
You're
Can
welcome.
everybody give him a big clap for me? Wow, that was so good. We're proud of you.
We hope you enjoyed today's show in our children's series. Be sure to join Grace Kitchens as they showcase the children on Creative Cooking, Mondays, 7:35 a.m. during Smile Jamaica on TVJ.